Hi.
How are
How are
you?
you? I'm good. How are
I'm
you?
good.
So, firstly, congratulations. The poster seems very interesting and I'm very excited about it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, tell us something. What is this movie about?
As you can see in the poster, it's something unique. It's like it's cool and it's fiery. The movie is completely like that. If I want to describe the movie in one line, I'll just say that it's a Rajkumar Santoshi genre. It's a complete package. It's full on entertainment. It has romance, comedy, all the entertainment.
And with how is the working with like Namashi? How is he as a co-star?
The Moshi, he is a bad boy, but a good human being. I'll just say he's the most fun person to be around. His sense of humor is something else only. If you're around him, you will never have a dull moment. He's always so energetic and always like pulling my leg, which is sometimes annoying, but yeah.
Okay, so we'll get to see that chemistry on screen.
Yeah.
So this is a Rajkumar Santoshi film. So he has done movies like Andaz Apna Apna, which is one of the most famous, like iconic films. So how was it being directed by such a huge person?
Honestly, initially I was a little bit intimidated because he's such a huge person and he's such a big director. But then his personality is so welcoming and so warm that I think within the first few days, we were spending a lot of time with him because we had a short period of time to prepare for the movie. But then he's just so welcoming and so funny. His sense of humor is so pure and it's just top. So he's just a very welcoming and warm person, but also at the same time, I don't know how he does it. It's been so many years that he's in the industry, but he still has the same passion and he still has the same dedication, and it just reflects in his eyes, and that's so inspiring.
So stepping into this world of Bollywood, then how is it like? What is the feeling you're getting that your first movie is going to be out soon?
uh, Obviously in such difficult times, like no one saw this coming, this COVID-19. But my problem is very small. I know, like when I compare it to other people who are going through such tough times, who are underprivileged, my problem is so small. But I'm just waiting for the theaters to open soon so that the audience can see the genuine love and hard work we have put into this movie. So I just can't wait for it to be out into the world. It's like Bad Boy is genuinely a dream movie. It's like my baby that I've had with me now, and I'm just like putting it out into this world. It means a lot to me. It's super close to my heart.
And like now, so many movies are releasing on OTT. So what do you have to say? Does it? Do you think that it is the magic of theater is something else? Like you cannot get
Definitely,
it on OTT.
I think just uh, a movie being projected on a big screen is something else only. Definitely, the OTT platform is very beneficial now since everyone is home, and then Netflix and Amazon is there. So everyone is just stuck to that. It's definitely a great opportunity, but I think as a debutant, it's very important for us, for our career, that people see us on big screen. I mean, it's something else only.
Yes, surely. So you have been working with Johnny Lever, who is known as the king of comedy. So how was your experience doing a comedy, romantic comedy film with him?
Yeah, it's a different thing sitting at home and watching his comic timing and enjoying the scenes. Like you'll die of laughter to sit with your family, but then it's something else when you're working with him to match up the energy level and to match up with the comic timing. It's not easy. It's difficult to crack it up, but with the help of our director Raji, he made it much more easier for us. You can ask Namoshi, like our co-star. It was so difficult to match up with the timing, like, and he was so nice. Johnny Lever sir was so nice. Even after so many takes, he had the same level of energy and stamina. So hats off to him.
Yeah. And also your father is the producer, one of the producer. So how was it being working with him on the film?
It's so surprising. Actually, I had like 100% liberty in doing whatever I wanted, but also as an individual, as an actor, I felt like a responsibility that even though this was my own production house, my dad's production house, I can understand a producer feeling like I wouldn't want the money to go to waste. I wouldn't want everyone else's time to go to waste on set. So I definitely respected that, and I think I did my best. I put in my 100% in that.
And when your poster released, it was introduced by Salman Khan. So, what was that feeling that in being introduced by the king of Bollywood?
After I woke up, the first thing I did was I just went on Twitter and I was just searched for Salman Sir's profile, and I was just sitting there just waiting for him to like tweet the post, and I kept on refreshing until it came. And that time span of like 10 minutes, it was, I don't know, I just had too many feelings. Like I didn't know what to, I wasn't even speaking to my brother or my family. So, so I was just waiting. I was just scrolling, like, what is gonna happen? What is gonna happen? But finally, when he tweeted that, my heart just like dropped a beat, and like I was having such a fangirl moment to have the poster released from Sir.
Okay. So, I have some fan questions here.
Yeah.
Okay. They wanted to know, like, who is the next co-star you want to work with in Bollywood?
In Bollywood, so there is Varun Dhawan and Ranveer Singh. I have the utmost respect for them, and they're so good. They're so talented. Like I don't know how they do it. The script selection and then the way they perform is just something else. So I think Varun Dhawan and Ranveer Singh. Also, when Varun Dhawan he tweeted for us, and then when he like posted the bad boy poster on his Instagram story, I was freaking out. I was literally freaking out. Like I had a fangirl moment. So I think Varun Dhawan and Ranveer Singh.
Okay. And if you had to be locked down with some, like some actor, so who would it be?
That's a interesting question. Mm, I think no, actually Namoshi would be too much. Like he's hyper, he's fun, but then like I think I wouldn't be able to take it. I don't know, maybe Deepika Padukone. I feel like she's so. I want to know what she does. Like, what is her, like, what she does in a day, what like her daily routine or anything. I want to know that. So yeah,
And
it would be
Ranveer
interesting.
too?
Sorry.
And with Ranveer too?
Yeah, that would be a bonus.
Okay. And also, there was another question.
Oh, my whole family and all my friends are here. There's so many questions.
So, yeah, what was your family's reaction onto the poster?
My family, they loved it. Like I think it was just more of a proud moment for them to see the poster, and they've seen the movie and they loved it. They kind of teared up a bit, but yeah, seeing the poster, I think it was just like a step ahead to the movie, so they're super proud of it.
Okay, great. And firstly, I would like to
Namoshi
ask,
said, so sorry, Namoshi says, take my name.
yeah,
Hi, Nama.
we were just live with him.
Yes, I know.
One more comment is there, Miru.
Miro, let me see that. That is Namoshi. He's just messing around.
Okay. So also there were some questions. So how is the first? Now this is the most important question. Like
Yeah.
we have been asking this to everybody. How is the lockdown treating you?
It's just like a loop. Like I don't know when it's gonna get over. I don't know. It's like what is gonna be the normal after this. But I'm enjoying it. I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my washroom. I'm like folding my clothes, and then so many things. I'm making TikToks which no one is gonna see. But then I'm trying out such different things I never thought I would try. And like I'm sketching. I have a new interest in playing piano. So I'm just finding sides of myself that are like I never thought I would get in a busy life. Yeah.
Okay. So here are some girls who want to know. They want to know like we are in a lockdown situation, so this is the best time to take care of ourselves. So they want to
Yeah.
know. They want to get some hair and skin tips from you.
Oh, I'm still working on my hair and skin every day. Like my mom, she just I don't know how she where does she like learn this from or where does she come up from? She applies aloe vera and like vitamin E capsules. I don't know how she does it. She has the most beautiful skin and I'm just like in awe of that and I wanna get skin like her. She has like clear skin. Mashallah. Yeah, but then I saw this one video of Priyanka Chopra where she shows like an Uptan mask, which is basically like dahi, haldi, nimbu, rose water, and all that. So yeah, I've been applying that. And you won't believe what I'm doing for my hair. Like there's onion juice, ginger juice, and egg. So all these insane things.
Okay. So, firstly, this was a really interesting chat, and I had a lot of fun.
Me
And
too.
all the best for your first movie.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for
Thank you so
having me.
much.
Thank you for having me.